In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion Support Services. We're going to walk through embedding a Google Calendar inside a Notion page. This is great for keeping schedules visible right where you plan and take notes. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Notion on Google. Using the search page is an easy way to reach the official Notion site without typing the full address. Once you're on Notion's homepage, look to the top right and select Log In. Sign in with your usual method so you land in your workspace home. From your workspace sidebar or home screen, create a new page. This gives you a fresh canvas dedicated to the calendar you'll be embedding. At the top, click into the title area and name the page clearly. A descriptive title, like Team Calendar or Weekly Schedule, makes it easier to find later and helps collaborators understand what the page is for at a glance. Next, click into the main body of the page where your content will live. Notion uses a powerful /command system to add different kinds of content blocks. Type /embed in the body. As you type, Notion will show a quick picker with matching block options. Choose embeds from the list. This tells Notion you're about to insert content from an external source, such as a Google Calendar. Have your Google Calendar link ready to paste. This is the calendar URL you want to display in Notion. Paste the link into the embed field that appears. If you maintain multiple calendars, make sure you're using the link for the specific calendar you want shown on this page. When the link is in place, click Embed Link to confirm. Notion will process the URL and place the calendar as a live, interactive block on your page. You should see it load with your events and the familiar calendar controls. From here, you can add notes above or below the calendar, organize the page with headings, or keep it as a clean, dedicated schedule view. If the preview doesn't appear as expected, double-check that the link you pasted is correct and accessible. Using the full shareable calendar link usually produces the best result. That's all you need to bring Google Calendar into Notion. You've searched for Notion, logged in, created a new page, titled it, opened the body, added an embed block, pasted your Google Calendar link, and confirmed the embed. With that set up, your scheduling information lives right alongside your documents and tasks, making your workspace more connected and efficient.